We're doing some moulds. For my members. Get a little bit of clay. Put in the mould like that. Next one. What I'm going to do next is a questions and answers for my questions and answers to do with crafts. That's my next one. Just put the clay in the mould. Put the clay in the mould. Like that. Right. What do you like? I'm doing questions and answers. What do you like doing? What's your favourite animal? Write it in the comments. What's your favourite food? Write in the comments. What's your favourite craft?